The chat widget feature inside of Go High Level can be used for any business that wants to communicate with their customers right from their website, or frankly, from any landing page or funnel that they may have. It's a little icon that's going to sit in the bottom right hand or left hand, or practically anywhere on your website that you want it to be, where they can put in their information, their phone number, their email address, and talk to a person live and in person. Also, what's really cool is you can use conversational AI, which is inside of GHL, to answer questions for the business when no one's available to actually have that conversation. It's a really cool feature, and in here, we're going to show you how to set that up. All right, well, what we need to do to set up the widget is actually pretty simple. From the left-hand side, we're going to go to Sites. And over here on the right is Chat Widget. Now you can see I've already been playing around and working on one, but to create a new one, all you gotta do is click on this blue link right here at the top right-hand side. And you're gonna be using this for one of three things. It can either be SMS, email chat, live chat, or, which is a new feature, WhatsApp. A lot of overseas clients will like this a lot. So this is a really, really cool feature. So I'm gonna choose, in this case, the SMS email chat. I'll just hit select. And this is an example of exactly how it's going to look right here on the right-hand side. Now, your web page is obviously going to be the thing behind it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this and theme it up as I like it. I'll just move this over right now so I can move my face out of the way. And I'm going to click open the styles icon. From the styles, I can change it to have a picture or not a picture. I'm going to use the picture. I could change the icon, what it looks like over here. Like if I was using WhatsApp, I'd probably want to have the WhatsApp icon, or I can add my own. But I'm just going to choose the chat icon here. And then I have a couple different color choices I can use very easily. Or I can change it myself and give it completely different colors. For this tutorial, I'm just going to stick with the standard blue. Now, right here, it has the welcome message. Hi there, have a question, text us here. You can write whatever that you like here. Hi there. Do you have a question? So I'm just type in here, do you have a question? And as you can see, it updates automatically. So I'll leave that just like it is. And then when a person comes back at another time, they can, if a person's basically, their name is already registered in the system, it'll say, welcome back. And then the name of the person, Andy, John, whatever. How can we help you? How can we help you today? So that's a really cool little feature there. The other thing that I can do is right over here is go to the widget and customize the widget. I can replace the image here. So I can put an icon, I can change the person. I'm going to hit replace. I have an icon already uploaded, so I'll double click that. You can see it changed it automatically. I can figure out the placement of where I want to put it on the screen. I'm going to leave it at the default. I can have a text. This is the alternate text right here for a person with the image. So it could be a brighter idea. You can have whatever you want, chat with me, whatever that you like. And then over here is the widget dimension, and I can choose to have it as it is, or I can customize the size that I want to go with. I'm going to leave it as it is. All right, now for the next thing, I'm going to go over to chat window. This is what it looks like when it's been opened up. So on the left-hand side, I'll go to title. It says right now, have a question. I can edit that, obviously. And then I can enter in what the intro message is right over here. As you see, that's right there. I can choose any of the fields that I'm interested in. I have extra fields in there that can be chosen. Anything from your custom fields work just fine. I can choose what I want the button over here to say. In this case, it says send. It could say submit, anything I like. And then it can redirect call to action. Adding call to action that redirects users to a website when clicked. So basically what this means is if a person turns this on, they can put redirection text in here to say whatever they want a person to go to as they visit the website, and then have a link that goes with it for that redirect. And then lastly, we have additional options, and I'm going to shut that actually. I can put who it's powered by. In this case, it's powered by Brighter Idea, or I can have nothing there at all. I can get rid of the agency branding. I don't think it's needed. And then for HIPAA, I have a consent checkbox right over there. By submitting, you agree to receive SMS or emails from the provided channel, rates may apply. Now, we can choose to have that or not. You should always choose that for legal reasons. And you can have that information changed right over here. All right, that's good to go. And lastly, we have messaging. In the messaging, we have acknowledgement. So in this case, I can put in the phone number and I can have the acknowledgement message. And it could be literally, I could have the contact information here. I could have any information here that I choose for the acknowledgement message. And then my greeting, in this case, is thank you. I can use a check mark or I could upload an image, whatever I like to make it look cool. I'm just going to go with the check mark and I can change the color of it. And then finally, over here, we have language. I can choose any language here that I like, Spanish, French, Italian. We have a bunch of different languages here ready to go. All right, now that I'm done, all I got to do is hit save. I can put it on my site or my funnel. Now, let's say that we have a website outside of Go HighLevel. You can just get the code here and this code put into the body or the footer of the website. So you'll grab this code here and put it in the body or the footer section of the website. It'll allow you to have it on any kind of website, anything from WordPress to Drupal to Wix to Squarespace. Just copy and paste it. You can even use it on Shopify. And then I'll X out of that. And I'll just paste it right in there. Or you can have it on your funnels here in the system. So we've already saved it. I'm going to hit my back button here. I'm going to go to sites, choose funnels, and I'll just go into any funnel that I choose. I'll choose this one right here. And in settings right over here, I can turn on the chat widget right here. And I can choose which chat widget to use. I did number 2, so I'll use that one right there. I could have named it whatever I want. In this case, I'll click save. And then when I open up the page, you'll see it's right here, ready to go. And that's all it takes to put the chat widget on your website. I'll see you in the next video.